Our vast oceans hold the secrets of life, yet they face an unprecedented challenge from human waste that threatens to disrupt the very balance of our planet. The rhythmic heartbeat of the sea has echoed for millions of years. But today, a new element has entered the water. Every year, over 8 million tons of plastic enter our oceans, littering our beautiful beaches and poisoning the marine life that calls these blue waters their home. What once was a pristine paradise is now a landscape of debris where discarded containers and forgotten waste accumulate in massive piles along our fragile global coastlines. We are finding revolutionary ways to reclaim this waste and turn it into something useful. Innovative technology is now at the forefront of the cleanup effort, utilizing autonomous surface vessels and smart collection systems to efficiently gather plastic from the open sea.
Okay, I'll have the robot
These
move the
machines
compacted
work
cubes.
tirelessly day and night. The journey continues as tons of recovered ocean plastic are transported to specialized processing plants, where the magic of high-tech transformation begins to take its physical form. The scale of the operation is immense, showcasing the sheer volume of material we are able to divert from the ocean and redirect into a new life cycle. We are no longer just cleaning up our mess. We are gathering the raw materials for a sustainable future, proving that waste is truly a misplaced resource. The purification process begins with high-pressure washing, where every bottle is thoroughly cleaned of salt and biological matter to ensure the highest quality of the final product. Every speck of sand and sea salt must be removed, as impurities can weaken the structural integrity of the construction bricks we are about to create today. Next, precision laser technology is used to instantly strip away labels and adhesives, leaving behind only the pure PET plastic that is essential for our manufacturing process. This automated system ensures that 99.9% of all contaminants are eliminated, creating a clean slate for the advanced chemical and physical transformation ahead. Sophisticated optical sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms scan every single piece of plastic, identifying its chemical composition and color at lightning-fast speeds for perfect sorting. Every step is monitored by expert technicians who ensure that the system maintains its rigorous standards for purity, a critical factor in building long-lasting sustainable structures. The now pure plastic is ready for its most dramatic change, as we prepare to break down the physical form of these bottles into something entirely new. The clean bottles travel upward, entering the mouth of a heavy-duty industrial grinder that will reduce them into uniform flakes for further refinement and processing. Powerful steel blades rotate with immense torque, shredding the plastic into small, manageable flakes that are perfectly sized for the subsequent melting and molding operations. A high-speed centrifugal dryer removes every drop of moisture, bringing the water content down to less than 0.1% to prevent air bubbles during melting. The resulting flakes are uniform in size, ranging from 5 to 10 millimeters, which is the optimal dimension for consistent melting and structural bonding in the mold. These bags of refined ocean plastic are now a valuable commodity, ready to be transformed from loose flakes into solid, high-performance building materials for our future. The flakes are pneumatically transported to the heart of the factory, where extreme heat will finally unlock the true strength hidden within these reclaimed plastic molecules. Precision temperature control is vital. We heat the plastic to exactly 240 degrees Celsius to achieve the perfect viscosity for a flawless molding process. Inside the massive extruder, a heavy steel screw kneads the plastic flakes into a molten state, ensuring a perfectly homogeneous mixture that is free from any air pockets. The plastic has now reached a liquid state, flowing like molten rock. This is the critical moment where we can reshape its destiny into a permanent structure. To enhance the strength and fire resistance of our bricks, we blend the liquid plastic with recycled mineral additives A 50-ton hydraulic press then applies massive pressure, compacting the mixture to eliminate voids and create an incredibly dense material that can withstand extreme environmental conditions. The molding process is water efficient, using a closed-loop cooling system. As the mold opens, the transformation is complete. A single brick, born from the depths of the ocean, now stands ready to build a new and better world. Automated systems handle the freshly minted bricks with care, moving them to a controlled cooling area where they will reach their final hardness and maximum structural stability. The production line creates a steady stream of these sustainable units, each representing several kilograms of plastic that will never again threaten our marine ecosystems or wildlife. Every brick is serialized and marked with its origin, providing full transparency and traceability from the beach where it was found to the building it will support. Our inventory grows daily, creating a massive stockpile of carbon-negative building materials that are ready to be shipped to construction sites all over the world. The impact resistance is extraordinary. These bricks do not shatter or crack like traditional materials, making them ideal for earthquake-prone regions and high-traffic public infrastructure. Safety is paramount, so we subject our bricks to intense fire testing. The mineral additives ensure they are self-extinguishing and meet the highest fire safety ratings. Unlike clay bricks that absorb water and crumble over time, our plastic composite is completely waterproof, preventing mold growth and ensuring the structure remains dry forever. We simulate decades of coastal exposure to salt and UV rays, proving that our bricks are impervious to the very elements that once eroded them as waste. From the freezing Arctic to the scorching Sahara, these bricks are engineered to survive any climate on Earth, maintaining their shape and strength for over 5 centuries. The interlocking design allows for incredibly fast and precise assembly, eliminating the need for mortar or cement and significantly reducing the carbon footprint of construction. This precision engineering ensures that every wall is perfectly aligned and structurally sound, allowing even unskilled labor to build high-quality homes and community centers safely.
Okay, easy down.
Building with these bricks is as simple as it is effective. The design drastically cuts construction time, allowing homes to be built in a fraction of the time.
Bricks significantly cut down
Internal
on
channels are pre-molded into the bricks,
strain.
allowing for the easy installation of utilities without the need for messy cutting or drilling on the construction site. The result is a wall that is not only incredibly strong, but also beautiful, with a contemporary finish that requires no additional plastering or painting if desired. Real-world applications are already underway as we deploy this technology to build affordable, sustainable housing for communities in need around the globe. Despite their incredible strength, these bricks are lighter than traditional materials, making them easier to transport to remote locations and safer for workers to handle. Every brick laid is a victory for the planet, removing plastic from our oceans and providing a permanent, safe shelter for families and children to thrive. This technology empowers local communities by providing them with the tools to build their own infrastructure, creating jobs and fostering a sense of pride and ownership. The finished structures are elegant and durable, blending seamlessly into the environment while serving as a powerful testament to the possibilities of sustainable design and engineering. A home built from ocean plastic is more than just a house. It is a symbol of a world that has learned to value its resources and protect its future. For many, this is the first time they have had a home that is fireproof, waterproof, and built to last for generations, providing security and peace of mind. The contrast is clear. What was once a source of pollution and death in our oceans has become a source of life and shelter for humanity. This is the future of urban development, where we no longer strip the earth of its natural resources, but instead recycle the waste we have already created, and building a legacy of sustainability for the future. The future is in our hands. Every brick we make, every bottle we save, brings us one step closer to a cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable world.